guys, welcome back to another vlog over here on our house. So today's video I'm gonna be cleaning up my kitchen. I will share with you guys what it's looking like. It's pretty messy. I was at my kids' school helping the teacher, well, Jayla's teacher, do a couple of stuff over there. But I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my kitchen. I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up a little bit our living room. I have to focus on my bedroom today and hopefully put a load of laundry to wash. And plus also too, I have something over there that I'm so excited to share with you guys. So that is an item that was sent to me by Tailored Canvases. So I will go ahead and share that with you guys further in this video. I also have a discount code for you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing one of their canvases. They are so beautiful, trust me. But let's go ahead and start off with the cleaning motivation. So put me on one of your favorite devices and let's go ahead and clean together.
Say something, cause we don't talk about nothing no more.
So I want to take this moment to thank everybody for supporting my last day in the life vlog as a mother of 4. It's actually one of the first videos that I am starting to add, as along with the shop with me videos. So if those are videos that you guys are interested in watching, please let me know in a comment down below. Also, don't forget to give this video a like, and if you guys would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to click that subscribe button. So we're gonna go ahead and quickly finish gathering and putting away all the items I have laying out here on our counter before we could go ahead and start washing the dishes. And for today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and hand wash the dishes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the dishwasher so they could go ahead and rinse and then dry it with the heat setting.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
So for those of you that are new over here, I just want to take this brief moment to quickly introduce myself to you guys. So my name is Irmaguzmanyt and I am a married stay-at-home mother of 4. I have 2 girls and 2 boys. My oldest is almost 18 and my youngest will be 6 But yeah, over here on my channel, I like to share cleaning motivational videos for you guys, as well as decorating and home decor ideas. So if that is something you guys are interested in, I'd love to have you guys click that subscribe button. Lately, I've been starting to do day in the life vlogs just to share a little bit of how my daily routines are as a stay-at-home mother. Once my kids are all packed and ready to go to school, just a little glimpse of how I spend the rest of my day and how I keep my house tidy and so on. So I hope this video motivates you guys. If so, do let me know by giving me a like.
Couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego.
So now that the kitchen is clean and I already fluffed up the pillows on the sofa, I'm gonna go ahead and take this moment to quickly vacuum our floors. On the bar stools where we have all of our meals at, there is tons of crumbs under there. Doesn't show right up on the camera like it actually is, but since we have the more darker floors, trust me, all the crumbs are very visible. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly vacuum all of that up, including the kitchen, entryway, and the hallway.
Here he goes with his humble act and everlasting ego.
Stay here, no, ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret. Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night.
Now that my floors are nice and vacuumed and I'm not stepping on tons of crumbs everywhere, I'm gonna go ahead and take a Clorox wipey just to quickly wipe down the sink in the boys and the girls bathroom. My kids do share this restroom, so I just should have said the kids' restroom to make it easier for you guys. But I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down the sink. This is something I like to do on a daily basis. Then I don't always go in to check or to clean up my kids' rooms, either the boys or the girls, but the boys have the habit of not opening up that curtain, and I like to have the curtains open. So I just quickly went in there, and then I hopped into the laundry room. You saw me there, and just took out a couple of stuff. Like I mentioned before, laundry room is always a drop and go area, so I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly put things where they belong. Then we're gonna go ahead and move into my room. I need to make my bed. I had washed my bedding the day before. I put it on nighttime for us to sleep, and then I have to make my bed, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down my restroom as well.
Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night.
So for today's cleaning motivation, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what tailored canvases has sent me. It's just so beautiful and so humongous. I'm gonna let you know we already pre-opened for this video because we were just so excited once it arrived. We couldn't wait. So we went ahead and opened it, took a little sneak peek out of it, but I'm actually gonna take it out of the box with you guys so you guys could go ahead and see it.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little place.
So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over and reveal it to you guys now. This one, I saw from the ones they have several different ones to pick out of. I felt this one was just perfect for our Christmas decor. I might end up putting it up here and removing these just for the Christmas time, or I'll probably put it over in our entryway where I have that big brown art, and I'll just put this one up for there during the Christmas time. That's actually where the sconces are on the top. But I'm gonna go ahead and share it with you guys so you guys can see what I was sent. How it is a very big piece. I had to actually scoot pretty far back to be able to get it all into the picture. But like I mentioned, this is just one that they already had as a sample. I saw it. I love the idea where it says bed and breakfast here on the bottom. I am so glad that I was able to add our last name here. So it says the Guzman family. And then it has right here where you can see it says make yourself at home. And then over here I was able to also personalize to our year that me and my husband got together. I also like that it has like this very rusted look on the top and the bottom as well. Like you guys can see, it is very, very long. This one is a 20 by 60 inches. So you can see it's humongous. They have so many different styles to check for. They have big ones, small ones. They have a lot of coffee bar style ones. But the good thing is that you can always personalize it to fit your home or decor needs. They have really nice farmhouse ones. They have for all seasons, holidays, everything, including some for man caves, or if you have something like backyard, you could go ahead and get something over there for your backyard, like a backyard and grill. I will leave a screen record over here, or like a little screen side, so you can see a little bit more of what this company has. But I want to say thank you so much to Taylor Canvases for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Once again, don't forget to check out the discount code so you guys can go ahead and save on one of your canvases and have fun designing. What I really enjoyed was that once I picked out the image or the frame that I wanted, which is this one, like I mentioned, I was able to change up a couple of stuff that suit with our family and our household, which is very exciting. And then the good thing about them is that once you design how you want your canvas, the person that is gonna do your canvas actually gets your design image and everything, and then they go ahead and email you and reach out with you to double check that everything is correctly and everything before they print it on a canvas, and then they send it out to you. These things are so beautiful and so nice, high quality. I'll give you guys a close-up of it in just a bit, but stay tuned for my Christmas decorating videos, which will be coming out next month in November. I'm gonna be hanging this one up, but I'm not sure if I want to do it here in the living room or my entryway, so that's going to be very exciting for you guys to see where I'm going to hang this up. But once again, thank you so much, Taylor Canvases. Don't forget to check out the description box down below. I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye!